Hi guys, it's KG Dev here. I know it's been a while since I posted, so yeah. So today, I'm not going to waste time, so I like making my video short so that you guys can just focus. So guys, for today I'm going to do string processing, which you guys may know it as string manipulation, where we do strange stuff, to things and stuff. For now I've already insert my button here, test button. Then you're going to use a message box to display simple. So guys, this is our string, kg dev here. This is our string. Okay, so guys, the first property that I'll teach you is, remember, we have string method and string property. So the first property is when you display the length. Is when you display the length of our string. So now guys, when you use this method will return the length, the number of characters. Guys, also remember a space is a character. So guys, because if you count kg dev is how many characters? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It's 9 characters without the space. So but then when you do something of this nature, then we start our app and it'll be like test. We get how many characters? 10 characters, because a space is also a character. This is the first thing. So this is how you display the number of characters of a certain string. For now, we already had coded our data here. We don't want to get anything from the user. I'll do that in part 2 or part 3, so that I'll explain other concepts further on. So for now, just intro. So guys, and if maybe by chance you might want to store the length somewhere in order for you to validate or do something, you can just int length as an integer. Guys, remember, it's integer. Because remember guys, or everything that the length it will return this property. Some people may call it, okay, this one it's a length working a function or something of that nature. So if it doesn't tend to return something, guys, you have to know it will also return. It always return a full number, an integer. So if you declare this thing as a decimal and supposed to assign it to this thing, you're going to find this very strange errors here. So remember, now you don't specialize it in errors. So it's int len equals to str name dot length. Simple. Then we display here. We will display int length. So sometimes you may want to do some validation somewhere. That's why you assign a certain number. So whatever. So that's how we use this int length property to the function. So then so for now, at least you have a basic intro on when to use this length property of a string. So for now, guys, the basic one that I want to teach you now, guys, main methods. This one, guys, is we call it a substring. So guys, a substring, let's say, guys, and guys, before we start about substring, remember guys, strings are immutable. So you just go and search this term why, or maybe this phrase of why we say strings are immutable, because it will make your life easier when you deal with string processing in other strongly typed languages. So it's going to be simple. Let's say you want to get kg only here, right? This is what we need. Or maybe we need only dev. So we have this particular function of ours called a substring. So now guys, remember, since strings are immutable, if you want to manipulate this string, you must create a new string that will hold that substring. So just say dim will be like new name as a string. Then it'll be like, okay, fine, it'll be like new name equals to Then guys, first of all, you need a substring. You need this dev. This is a substring, guys. This one is a string, and whatever that portion that you take, we call it a substring. So it'll be like, okay, new name is going to be str name dot, some called a dot, some called a dot, substring. So guys, remember, a substring, it count there. Remember guys, a string is also an array of characters. That's a string, is an array of of characters. Simple thing. So if guys, you deal with arrays, we're going to do them maybe incoming few weeks. So guys, when you use a substring, start counting from 0. that one. The starting position is what is always 0. So guys, kz what is at 0. So let's say you want to return something. Remember, it won't, if you specify a starting position, you'd be like, okay, fine, let's say we need dev, right? So it's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, including a space again. So you'd be like, okay, fine, from 6 I need everything after 6, right? So you'd be like, okay, fine, new name. Now I'm going to display what? New name. So now we start our program and you see what's popping if we did anything right. So now you get what? Dev. So this is how it, so everything after 6, it will grab that thing. Doesn't matter, even if you have 100 things after 6, it's going to grab them all. Like, so guys, and another one, let's say when I want to grab kg, and you'll be like, okay, fine, let me start from 0, index 0, which is the starting position again. Then you'll be like, when I only need kg, then you'll be like, okay, fine, let me start my program again. Then you click test. So you see, now you have the whole thing. So now we need what? Kg. So there's something, guys, we call method overloading, when some methods are overloaded. Okay? So guys, if you can check, there's another method that's overloaded inside what? The substring. You can just write what? A comma. Then now, since you specify what? The start index. Okay, I'm starting at 0. Then after starting from 0, how many characters do you need? Guys, when you count characters, you start from 1, not 0. Okay? Yeah, characters and starting position are not the same. So going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you start from 0, and after 0, you need what? 6 characters. Then we do what? Hot reload again. So guys, by the way, I'm using Visual Studio 2022, which we can hot reload, which is a necessary feature. So you see now you only have what? Kg. Simple. Let's say you only need this K only. You're going to be what? Okay. So remember, it's starting from 0 there. Yeah, simple. Then yeah. You see, we have what? K. That's how the substring works, guys. Don't forget it. So the first one that you can use is when you want the whole string after a certain static index. And the second overloaded one is when you can specify, okay, I want to start here, and after starting here, I want how many characters. So guys, yeah. And don't forget, if you overload it, the first one, you must get what? A full number. Integers must get integers here, and also get an integer. You don't have to write body comma something. Let's say you write 6 points. What? You see? Then you'll be like, okay, fine. I want to see something, man. Where is it? Where's our program? See K. Is it K after this? Oh, I don't know how to reload. Okay, something of this nature. Start our program. Let's see if we wrote what will happen if we wrote 7.6 here. Hi, guys. Hi, something's not right here. So guys, make sure you do string explicit one, right? Because there ain't no way here you're supposed to receive an integer, and 7.5 is not an integer, guys. So yeah, something, because when if you use your working, your Visual Studio 2018 might tell you, hey, stop it. So remember, you must receive an integer here, also receive an integer here. And don't forget to turn on option explicit on and option explicit on, because now I wanted to make my video short. So now, guys, okay, we are done with the substring method. Guys, the substring method. Now, guys, there's this other method that you can also try, which you call an index of method. So if, guys, you want to search for a particular character, maybe you want to search if maybe where is G. So yeah, understand, where is G, where is D, understand, where is E here. So you can use the index of method. So the index of method returns what? An integer, because you need a certain position. It's going to return a certain position if that thing exists. Let's say kgdev. Then okay, I said I'll be like index of, let's say, what do I need? I need to see where does D start. You see, guys, the index of it will get what? And in the arguments, it will get, you can even put characters here, you can even put something of this nature there. So you see, let's say you want to see the starting position, that's why I call an index of. You can use an index of to see where's the position of a particular thing, or if you want to search if there's a particular thing. And if you don't find something in that string, or if that something doesn't exist that you want to search, it will return a -1. That one you have to know it by heart. So let's say you want to see where's dev, then okay, we hot reload, our program. We start, you see. So dev is at position what? 7. Remember, index of, you're dealing with indexes here. They start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, space, you want to count a space again. So 7. That's why we want to find a pattern. Let's say we use small letter, dev. Then we search for it. We do hot reload, then you'll be like, you see, you get what? -1. So guys, when you get -1, when you use the index of method, it tells you, no, that thing that you want doesn't exist. You get -1. So if maybe sometimes you want to do some validation in your program, understand, because this small letter dev and this big letter dev, they're not the same, right? Remember, yeah, this thing are case sensitive, yeah. So yeah, here you have what? -1 here. So you have to know, because if maybe you want to validate something on your app, at least it's going to be simple. So you know, if your index of method returns 1, so you know, okay, if it returns 1, if it returns 1, then you write a certain statement and be like, okay, fine, I got -1. So you tell the user, or whatever that you want doesn't exist. Try typing something simple, right? Then yeah, that was the index of method, yeah, basic method. Then yeah, because you did substring index of method, let me see the other one that I can teach you, or contains. Okay. So for let's see, for contains method, this is kg simple. So let's see. For this one, I'm going to use an if statement. It's going to be simple for this one. Let's say if question. I won't write if. So guys, the contains method, that one returns a boolean value. It returns true or false. I don't have to know it. So if str name dot if str name only is equals to what? Whatever that, let's say str name dot. I don't know what's happening with my keyboard. So now we tell our program, okay, fine. So we need something. We tell our program, if our program maybe contains, what do you want? So let's see. Where's something that maybe we want? So see if it contains something that we know is there. There's K must in our string and no. Then what? Just dim something here, message. Dim message, that's what. S3. So yeah. So if our string contains K, which is there, so but then this is a small letter one again, so we must put at least something big. See, yeah. Then inside our message variable, we need, what do you need? So we need found. Need found. If not, else message equals to not found. So simple. Then here we display what? We display our message. Yeah. So guys, that one is simple and nothing major. So we got our string here. So yeah, then we created our message variable that will store the input. Yeah, if this one is true, then it's going to store found. If this thing does not exist, it does not contain inside the string, we must return not found. So in the meantime, let's run our program and see what's happening. So now this is going to check if, so you see, so K does exist inside what? Our kdev method. So that's why we got what? The input found. So you see guys, you can play with these methods and see there are many ways guys that you can use them to check what is what. Let's say Ka exists there. Let's try this one. So I don't know guys. Let's try to do this thing of this nature. Then let's see if Ke exists. Key code reload is done. So you see, not found because it doesn't exist. Guys, remember, this thing guys search for a particular thing or a particular pattern. So yeah, make sure you know what you're doing. And also guys, remember, it's also what case sensitive. That one you have to know it. It's also what case sensitive. So yeah, that's why it was a contains method. So remember guys, you can use what the contains method or the index of method to search for a particular thing. So yeah, for now we're just going to do this video must be short. So incoming me to something, I'll try to do something so that I can show you how we can use them. So but then if you know you have time, you can go and check how we use others and stuff. So yeah, these are basic ones guys. So yeah, if you have any question or if you want something that I must cover up maybe for the next part video, you can just comment there and then I'll see what I'll do. So guys, yeah.